Greetings. I'd just like to give everyone a bit of an update on where I am with my YouTube channel, Your Journey Transitions. I've been doing it for about 9 months, and it's been a lot of fun. I've gained a lot of new skills, reached out and met some really interesting people. My research around having a fulfilling retirement has been fantastic. I've learned so much. And it's been good hearing from some of my subscribers and getting some feedback from the community out there. I was initially motivated to set up Your Journey Transitions after a really traumatic ordeal with helping our in-laws transition into care, and through the whole late retirement stages, late transition, all the way through estate planning and things like that. It was a really traumatic experience for the whole family, and I thought that was just devastating. I didn't want my family to go through that. So that initially got me on the track, doing a bit of retirement planning and getting things sorted out for you. And then that slowly evolved into people weren't that interested in planning for that. People don't want to think about those events. So we moved more towards active retirement, different activities you can do preparing for yourself and to really enjoy and get the very most out of your retirement. And that went really well. I found the feedback I was getting was really more around real estate transactions and how property is dealt with after you pass. And then people wanted to know more about me, of how I created wealth for myself to have this sort of lifestyle. And a lot of questions around wealth creation. And so I thought more, well, if that's what people really want to know, then I should provide that. So I decided to launch a second YouTube channel called Working Class Wealth Creations. I'll continue with this channel, Your Journey Transitions, because I just think it's very important to me that this is what I want to continue to learn, how to have a better retirement lifestyle, how to get the most out of my retirement years. And I still believe there's an audience for that. But responding to the interest of my viewers, this second channel will focus on creating wealth and managing your wealth. Really a big part of having that really successful retirement is having the funds to be able to do that. So these two channels will go hand in hand. And there isn't even some lapse of some of the videos that are pertinent to both channels. And you see the same videos on both channels. Originally, I thought about doing a wealth creation channel, but I thought it's really quite saturated out there. There's a lot of channels that cover wealth creation. There's a lot of information out there. And so I thought that was already a crowded space. I think the unique part of my channel is in the title, Working Class Wealth Creation. This isn't about getting rich overnight and living in the Mediterranean on a yacht or anything like that. This channel will focus on very practical aspects where you continue to work in your job. If you have a job that you really love, then you'll find out, I found that out too, that I had the funds through wealth creation to give up my job and retire and do all of that. And there was still something missing. 10 years later, I ended up coming back to work. I work in a job that I love, but I continue to build wealth on the side. And wealth creation is more of a hobby of mine. It really gives me some fulfillment and satisfaction. So whether you're looking at creating enough wealth to give up your job or to pursue other interests that you want, or something you enjoy your job, but you want to make sure the funds to be there when you retire, till you have a really fulfilling retirement, this channel will probably serve you well. So this channel sound interesting to you? I hope you'll join me and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to contact me for any input you might have on that. On my email account, workingclasswealthcreations@gmail.com, or through social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. And of course, my website, workingclasswealthcreations.com. So this is Rick Ward, working with you for a better financial future.